Hey there, welcome to Math Zen, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. Today's video is going to walk you through the step-by-step process for multiplying two-digit by two-digit numbers, otherwise known as the standard algorithm. On this screen, I suggest pausing or taking a screenshot because this is the step-by-step process we will be using to solve 37 times 24. The steps do not change, just the numbers that students will have to use. On the next slide, you will see these steps in action. But before we jump into that, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. It really helps the channel. First things first, we need to make sure our factors are written vertically so that our place values line up. Also, note that I wrote the larger factor first. That's just a good habit to get into. Next, I multiplied the 4 times the 7 and got 28. I carried the 2 over the 3 and recorded the 8 below the 4. After that, I multiplied the 4 times the 3 and got 12. Then I added the carried 2 to get 14. There was no place value to carry the 1 to, so I recorded the 1 and the 4 together. Then I did the most important part of multiplying multi-digit numbers by multi-digit numbers. I put down a 0 to hold my place value. Next, I multiplied the 2 by the 7 and got 14. I carried the 1 over the 3 and recorded the 4. Then I multiplied the 2 by the 3 and added the carried 1, resulting in 7, which I recorded next to the 4. At this point, I simply add our two partial products, 148 plus 740, which equals 888. Easy peasy. Now let's do some practice. Pause the video here and try these on your own. I did 3 times 7 equals 21. I carried the 2 and recorded the 1. Then I did 3 times 2 plus 2 to get 8. Then I put my 0 to hold my place. After that, I did 1 times 7 equals 7 and 1 times 2 equals 2. Finally, I added 81 plus 270 to get 351. On the second problem, I did 2 times 9 equals 18. I carried the 1 and recorded the 8. Next, I did 2 times 5 to get 10 plus 1 to get 11. There was nowhere to carry the 1, so it gets recorded as a 1 and a 1. Then I put down my 0 to hold my place value. After that, I did 3 times 9 to get 27. I carried the 2 and recorded the 7. Then I did 3 times 5 to get 15, plus the carried 2 to get 17, which I recorded as a 1 and a 7. Finally, I added 118 and 1770 to get 1888. Really great job today. You should be proud of yourself. Remember, if you made a mistake or two, it's not a big deal. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as that really helps the channel grow. Until next time, keep searching for your Math Zen.